In this video I'm going to show you this circle post that I'm showing you. I will show you today's this airdrop testnet. Okay, so totally free, just take little bit time. It's not taking so much time, so just what you need to do is, the name is of this airdrop is a computer lab AI whitelist, and for joining in this airdrop you need to go through that link that I provided. Okay, click on that link and that link will bring you inside of here. So here is what we are seeing in screen is yielding from the AGI future has never been easier. Welcome to Computer Labs, your gateway to AI investment. So it is coming soon because it is its initial part. Okay, they are just beginning. Okay, so computer computer tokenization protocol, they have their information inside of here. You can read out of them, about them. So I don't want to do it because the video will be long. So here is what I need to do: financializing AI, be among the first years from the AI future. So here is they have their email subscription. You need to put your email and join the air whitelist. So here is they say that be among the first to evolve from the AGI future. So put your email that you currently using. I'm using this on, that I'm showing you this on. So totally mm, you know feel free. So please wait. Here is the saying that thank you, your submission has been received. So very much simple. If you are willing to do it, feel free to do it. And if you don't yet join our telegram channel, feel free to join our telegram. So here is our telegram. 39 people is joined all around the world, people from different country, everybody. So please become part of our community. So here is they are, everybody is from different countries, so they are part of our community. They're from some from Cameroon, Nigeria, different country I have ever seen. So I appreciate all of you, those who did join our channel here. So if you not here part of our community, be part of our community, because this community is money making community. Okay, it's not time wasting, it's not hee hee haha, like joking prank. No, it is one of the best valuable thing is, greatest tool in this planet is money, about money, everything. So if you want come into here, you can reach out with me with this arrow button, and just click this and you can message me immediately. So I will help you a lot. If you want to reach me. Okay, so see you in the next time. Until that, happy hunting, and to subscribe, to likes. Okay,